over here. Running out of gas? Uy, uy, uy.
Hey, sweetie. Why don't you come over here and sit down for a second?
Should wipe that icing on your dress. Go ahead. Stay over here. Come on this side. Come on this side. Ooh, ooh. Hi.
Must have been a hell of a cupcake.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stay on this side. Gosh, makes me nervous near that entertainment center.
Come here, come here. I'm gonna show you something.
Nope.
Look what I got. Look what I got right there. Wait. I got a joke for you.
I knew it. I knew she was going to get back down. Ooh. It seems alright.
How long has this been going on?
4 minutes, 20 seconds. And that was when I started recording, not before.
Dude, she's gonna knock out nicely.
She scared the baby. Where'd you go?
It's really creepy because if you look closely, her mouth is like blood red
I know, it looks
from the eyes.
it looks terrible. She's got red hands. This is almost sad.
Yeah, I'll never give her another cupcake again.
Yeah, that was... We'll just stick to giving her pieces and not the whole thing. Ooh. Dizzy? Help me up, Duke. Okay, Marco, we gotta stop her. Let's distract her.
Hey, sweetie. Where's your phone?
No, it ran out. It ran out of charge.
Um,
Stop doing that.
hello, baby.
I like your new haircut.
Oh yeah, that's a hell of a haircut. What is that, the Lauryn Hill?
She's like, I'm gonna throw up.
Oh man, that'd be terrible to throw because it's gonna have a lot of red eyes.
Dude, that's gonna be your fault. You're gonna clean that up. Ah, that makes me feel better. She stopped screaming.